Incap Estonia is a member of Incap Corporation, which is active worldwide. We are located on Saaremaa Island and logistically well situated to enable fast deliveries to Scandinavia and Europe. Incap Estonia is a full-service provider in electronics manufacturing services. We offer state-of-the-art technology, backed up by entrepreneurial culture and highly qualified personnel. Incap's factory in Estonia has experience in electronics manufacturing since 2000. The factory has 7,300 square meters of total floor space and customers from global companies with operations from Europe, Asia, and the USA. We aim to build strategic partnerships with our customers and long-term relationships with our employees. Our factory in Kuressaare offers versatile, technologically advanced, and yet very cost-efficient production capacity close to the European markets. Incap Estonia brings together a high level of technical capabilities and leading-edge production technologies, with special attention to the efficient ramp-up of new products. If you are looking for a strategic partner, do not hesitate to contact us. Let the electronics invasion be with you.